1. How often do you wear jewelry? Why not? Answer, almost every day. I always have my earrings and a watch on and a gemstone necklace for some formal ceremonies. I love wearing jewelry because it is a beautiful fashion accessory that can make my outfits stand out and more attractive. 2. What type of jewelry do you like best? Why not? Answer, I've currently had a love affair with filigree jewelry, a form of intricate metalwork originating from ancient civilizations. I read about it somewhere on the internet and was so mesmerized by its beauty that I instantly bought a pair of filigree earrings to wear on special occasions. 3. When do people like to give jewelry in your country? Why? Answer, in Bangladesh, jewelry is the most popular gifts for weddings. Generally, the elderly relatives in the family and very close friends of the bride and the groom will give gold jewelry to the couple. 4. Have you ever given jewelry to someone as a gift? Why not? Answer, no, I haven't. To be honest, I don't think giving jewelry as a gift is a good idea if you don't know the recipient's preferences. Instead, I usually buy chocolate boxes or some kinds of luxury stationery items to gift my friends and colleagues. Part 2 Questions and Model Answers. Describe an interesting TV program you watched about a science topic. You should say what science topic this TV program was about. When you saw this TV program, what you learned from this TV program about a science topic. And explain W. Model answer, I'm going to talk about Planet Earth, an Emmy Award-winning documentary, and is also one of my favorite science programs ever. The series started to be on air in 2006 with 11 episodes for each season. The series offers a general but informative insight into a wide range of natural landscapes, captivating its audience with breathtaking views and interesting footage of exotic species from almost all habitats on this planet. Besides, there is a short section after each episode, showcasing all the dangers and difficulties the filming crew had to face. I like most about this documentary because each episode has a new narrator and features interviews with experts on the topic, so I can get used to various English accents and enhance my listening skills. I have watched some episodes from this series again and again up until now. You know, I'm quite a nature lover myself, so watching this series helps reduce my everyday stress, ease my mind after long hours of hard work. The documentary also widens my horizons and give me the chance to learn lots of new things, such as the relationship between humans and native species in some parts of the world or the importance of protecting natural habitats. Part 3 Questions and Model Answers. Discussions Topics, Science and the Public. 1. How interested are most people in your country in science? Answer, I think the majority of people in Vietnam do not have much interest in science these days. The first and foremost reason is that we do not have an effective teaching program. Most students find science-related subjects really boring. Besides, most people tend to pay attention to news related to celebrities or reality shows instead of scientific articles. 2. Why do you think children today might be better at science than their parents? Answer, obviously, children nowadays have better access to many sources of information like the internet, libraries, or newspapers. Moreover, I suppose children receive a better education today than their parents' time. Most schools have well-equipped labs that can encourage students to learn science-related subjects. 3. How do you suggest the public can learn more about scientific developments? Answer, in my opinion, one of the vital elements to arousing public interest in science is to connect it to their everyday life. People, especially young students, should be given a chance to explore and understand how this subject plays an essential role in their daily activities. Topic 2. Scientific discoveries. 1. What do you think are the most important scientific discoveries in the last 100 years? Answer, actually, I am not an expert in science-related subjects. However, to the best of my knowledge, I would say artificial intelligence, AI, is a scientific breakthrough with the most profound effect on our society. It will facilitate the rapid development of computer technology, which is the fundamental platform for almost every technological device we are using. 2. Do you agree or disagree that there are no more major scientific discoveries left to make? Answer, I don't think this opinion makes any sense. Humans are still facing a lot of insoluble problems, which pose a severe threat to our survival. You see, the COVID-19 pandemic recently has caused widespread suffering all over the world. So, there is always room for further development in science fields. 3. Who should pay for scientific research, governments or private companies? Answer: I think both parties have pros and cons, so it will be better if they can cooperate to spend money on scientific research. Although I would expect the government to invest their resources in science, scientific research is sometimes hindered by government bureaucracy. As for private enterprises, the results may be oriented in a way that brings them more profits. Thank you for your watching.